So, easy dribbling down to the middle court. Blocked by Dako. Same ball. Happy viewing, Kerson Basaka. First person of all, Sage Paul. Five seconds to shoot. Two, Eusebio back to Bonifacio. Bonifacio has made two men. And a steal by Rotas. Rotas down to the middle court. Rotas pass to Basaka. Oh, Basaka waiting for his teammate. 20 seconds remaining. To Basaka wasting time. Pass to Manila, 10 seconds to shoot. Manila fires for two. He's out. Same ball with 10 seconds remaining. Shot clock is dead. Basket for 2 points. And that's the end of the Red team's possession. Basaka inbounding the ball. Basaka to left Tingao. Basaka fires for three. He is out. Rebound by Bonifacio. Bonifacio to the big man. Rebang was dribbling the ball. Back to La Victoria. Robert, relo mo daw po. Tuck in po, tuck in, tuck in. And seconds to shoot. Back to the first teammate. Ano ba naman niyan? Happy viewing, Bilog. And Mr. Ogie. And Mr. Hizala and Mr. Labang. Rebecca's fires for three. Too short. Rebound by Bonifacio. Bonifacio dribbling the ball. Bonifacio fires for the long two. He's out. Rebound by Tingao to Basaka. Basaka dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammate to Laksa. 10 seconds to shoot. Laksa looking for his teammate. Pass to the Bacos. The Bacos drive. Same ball. Same ball with 6 seconds to shoot. La Victoria down to the middle court. La Victoria drives. He's out. Pass to Basaka, lays it up. Lays it in. Bonifacio looking for his teammate. Pass to La Victoria. La Victoria fires for 2. He is out. A rebound by Rodas. Rodas to Basaka. Basaka down to the middle. Basaka pass to Marila. Fires for 2. Too strong. La Victoria with the rebound. Pass to Bonifacio. Laptinga on the rebound. Rodas down to the middle. Pass to Basaka. Fires for 3. Bang! 3 points. Deadlock 15 is the score. Abu Bakar dribbling the ball. Time out. Miscommunication.
Bilis mo hindi makita yung bola eh.
Lefting out down to the middle court. He's still dribbling the ball. Lefting out to no one. Eusebio with the inbound. To La Victoria down to the middle court. La Victoria is dribbling the ball. La Victoria looking for his teammate, setting a play. Pass to Eusebio. Eusebio back to La Victoria. Fires for 3. He's out and a steal by Mr. Antigua. Antigua 2. Sabigo pass to Manila. Pass to Basaka. And a steal by Mr. Laksa. Laksa down to the middle court. And that's a double dribble. Happy viewing below. Antigua down to the middle court. Antigua 2. Sabigo dribbling the ball. Aras by Gonzaga. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh. Sabigo drive. Lays it up and a block.
Nick, di naman sila nagpahinga sila dyan, Nick eh.
Marila to Sabigo again. Oh, nawala. Gonzaga all alone. Lays it up. Lays it out. Antigua down to the middle court. Antigua pass to Basaka. Fires for 2. He is out. Rebound by Marila. Marila pass to Laptinga. Fires for 2. He is out again. A follow up by Antigua. The Mr. MVP. Change Timor. And a steal by Laksa. Laksa pass to. And a steal by Laptinga. Laptinga looking for his teammate. Laptinga to Marila. Marila down to the middle court. Marila pass to Antigua. Antigua dribbling the ball. Pass to Basaka. Basaka lays it up. Hindi kumapit. And rebound by Gonzaga. To Laksa. To Eusebio. Eusebio. And a steal. Oh. Bonifacio lays it up. But the foul. Gonzaga setting a play. Aras by Sabigo to Eusebio. 5 seconds to shoot. And Victoria to Laksa for 2. Too strong. Bonifacio is there. Bonifacio to Gonzaga. Gonzaga drives. Fires for 2. Basket for 2 points. We are tied at 17. Basaka down to the middle court. Basaka is dribbling the ball. Pass to Sabigo to Basaka. Basaka fires for the long 3. Too short. That pass is too strong. 2 minutes out. Marila again fires for 2. Basket for 2 points. Eusebio is dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Eusebio harass by Sabigo. Pass to Gonzaga. 5 seconds to shoot. To La Victoria. To Bonifacio. Fires for 2. He's out. Basaka down to the middle court. He's still dribbling the ball. Basaka fires for 3. Too strong. Eusebio to La Victoria. Down to the middle court. La Victoria is dribbling the ball. La Victoria fires for 3. He's out. Rebound by Sabigo to Basaka. Basaka down to the middle court. Basaka dribbling the ball. Looking for a semi pass to Leptingao. Leptingao fires for 3. He's out. La Victoria is there. La Victoria 2. Bonifacio. Bonifacio lays it up and lays it in. Substitution. Rodas in. Sabigo out. Substitution. Gonzaga out. Rebangos in. And we are tied at 19. Leptingao down to the middle court.
Hindi po ako.
Leptingao setting a play. Pass to Rodas for 3. He's out. Marina with the rebound. To Basaka. Basaka fires for 3. He's out. Fires again for 2. He's out again. And a steal. That's a turnover. With 41 seconds remaining. La Victoria with the inbound to Eusebio. Eusebio down to the middle court. Eusebio is dribbling the ball, wasting time. To Rebangos. Rebangos back to Eusebio. 10 seconds to shoot. Eusebio fires for 3. Too strong. Rebangos fires for 2. He is out. Shot clock is dead with 20 seconds remaining. Basaka to Marila, back to Basaka down to the middle court. Basaka is dribbling the ball. Wasting time. 10 seconds remaining. Basaka fires for 2. Too strong. Rebangos fires for 3. Bang! 3 points. May bitaw, may bitaw. O binitawan. Aray ko po. Obligation.